Do you struggle finding new creative ideas for your next ad campaigns? Here is how to find inspiration on TikTok in 2 minutes or less. TikTok has released the Creative Center. It's basically a set of tools to help you boost the impact of your content. In a top ad spotlights, you will find a small and curated ad selection made by the TikTok experts that let you filter per industry. The Top Ads dashboard is a self-service ads library, so you can search using the name of a brand, or you can use one of the multiple filters available to you to find inspiration. So if you click on the analytics, you're gonna see a more detailed view for this creative content. You will find information about performance, metrics, and budget. You get some more insights regarding the click-through rates, conversion rates, and even retention numbers. If you browse the trendy video on TikTok, you also see the viral video going there per country. So it's great to find inspiration outside of your industry. TikTok is the only platform to give you for free an AI assistant to help you to create more impactful content. So the tool can help you with market research, to brainstorm your ideas, but to also show you video reference of the latest trend. You can also use prompts like any other AI tool to help you dive deeper into new concepts. So for example, here you see a list of videos for luxury perfume brands that are currently on TikTok. Now remember, the goal here is not to copy and paste your competitors. You want to be different. So use this to understand what's working, what's the latest trends, and be yourself. I wish you happy creatives.